In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your birthday on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a quick profile update that can help complete your account information and make your profile feel more polished and accurate. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view and edit your account details. On your profile page, look toward the right side of the profile header and click the Edit Profile button. This opens your profile settings where you can change information like your display name, bio, location, and more. Now scroll down until you find the birthday option. When you see it, click on it to begin editing. X will then prompt you to enter your birth date details. Select your birthday, month, and year carefully, making sure everything is correct before continuing. This part is important because the date you enter may be used to help verify age-related account settings. After you've selected the correct information, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This applies your changes and updates your profile information right away. Once the save is complete, your birth date will be added to your X profile, and that's it. You've now successfully added your birthday on X, also known as Twitter, in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.